This is going to be a tutorial on how to use the pen tool. So over here on the left is the pen tool. If you click and hold, this will give up options for the pen tool. We want the pen tool at the top, or you can hit P on your keyboard. If you left click and drag your mouse across and left click again, it's going to create a straight line. So you can keep making straight lines and just left click wherever you want. And then the little circle next to the pen icon indicates that the shape will be completed. So if you left click, and now we have our full shape that we can move around and scale and make smaller. So if we hit P on the keyboard for the shortcut for the pen tool, and if we left click and then drag out and left click and hold and drag our mouse, it's going to create a curve. So we can make this curve shorter, longer, however you want, and then release, and then this is going to create another curve from those 3 anchor points, and they're going to be all nice and smooth and flowing together. And then that ends it if you left click. So we can then click and hold, and it's going to create another curved line. And say you don't want this next curved line, if you just hold Alt and left click, that's going to essentially cut it off, and you can start again by creating another curved line. And then curve, left click and hold, you create a curved line, and then another curve, and then once again a little circle next to the pen icon indicates that the shape will be completed. And here's our shape. So we can go here, curve, curve, hold Alt and left click to cut it off, and then curve, and then straight lines, and then curve, and then Alt and left click, and then we can make straight lines, and then one more curve and connect it back, and the little circle next to the pen icon indicates that the shape will be completed. And there's our final shape. And we can once again scale it, rotate it, whatever you want. And that's the basics of how to use the pen tool.